If you choose to be simple and remain happy in your life, then definitely introduce yourself to the concept of minimalism. Hello friends, I'm Harsha Kamath and today I'm back with another book review, and this book is about minimalism by Kiko Katana. So let's see what all is there in this book. We are always in a urge to accumulate all the unnecessary stuff we come across, and we don't even think whether it is necessary or unnecessary in our life and what the role it's playing in our life. Minimalism, the Japanese art of declutter to organize your home and life. The first chapter speaks about what this minimalism is. What is this minimalism? This minimalism is a lifestyle. It tells us what is necessary in our life and what we have to declutter from our life. Things which are really very much necessary in our life. Don't go and buy as soon as it comes in your thought. You give it a time, you give at least 1 month's time. Even after 1 month, if you feel like buying that thing, then definitely you can buy it. Brings freedom, and relationships and experiences is valued, and life is very much simply with few things which are really valued to you. Live with less money, less comforts, and removal of all the excess things in your life. This simple life will really keep you calm. It's all about how you feel. Now let's go to the second chapter. Here it speaks about changing of our thoughts. So we have to accept the things as we are going, as we are decluttering all the things from our life. Our thoughts will change, and we need this change in our life. The third chapter speaks about the things which we have to declutter, that is in the house, like all the things which are really unnecessary, all the stuffs which we are accumulating in our house. The third chapter is about how to keep the house organized, and the next thing is introducing this concept of minimalism to your friends and to your family. Secret of happiness is not possessing more, but developing to enjoying the less. This sentence has a lot of value in it. Chapter 4 speaks about the tidying up. After decluttering all the things, then keep your house clean and tidy and be organized. Chapter 5 speaks about the storage. So how you can manage the storage things, or how you can fold your dresses, or how you can keep the things so that you don't occupy more space. So it speaks about that. And the next chapter, the sixth chapter, speaks about the pets and how to take care of it. So the chapter 7 speaks about the tips, the 50 tips. So there are many in this. I am going to read out only some important tips. Make a list of everything you possess. Live in a small house. Use one vehicle. Rent rather than own. Look for the used or use the second hand things. Don't be too much, or keep the things only which you need. Declutter your house every month. Eat out less. Means you prepare the food in home. Use the bicycle. Walk. Sell your clutter. Taking care of business. Own minimalistic wardrobe. Resist buying. Do not go out to buy food items when hungry. 30-day list for buying. Only keep the multi-purpose objects. Multi-purpose object is like you have to buy those objects which has multiple use. Okay, then go to the library, or instead of buying the books. Exercise at home. Use public transport. Stay healthy. Make gift instead of buying. Reduce alcohol intake. Quit smoking. Drink water a lot. Save time by going out on one day for many things. If you are having many things to do, then do it on a single day. Stop using the credit card. Cancel email subscription. Stay at home. Do things yourself. Make your own things. Avoid fast food. Travel using train or car than flight. Stop paying interest, or don't take the loans. Cut your own hair. This is really difficult. Cut the cell phone use. Avoid holiday promotions or plan your budget and accordingly go for the trip. Plan your trip. Maintain the things. Cut down on social media. Buy clothes from the sale. Plan ahead for everything. Save on transport. Sun dry your clothes. Eat less of sugar and starch. Cook in advance. Wash your clothes less. Wash your clothes less means it's like if you have worn the clothes for once, just for a few minutes, then you don't need to wash it. You can use it for the second time. Okay, next is cook in advance. It's not that healthy. Okay, wash. Okay, save on gas. Eat economically. Save on grocery. Buy means save on grocery is like you have to buy everything wholesale. So these are the 50 tips. So the chapter 8 speaks about the benefits of minimalism. Okay, so because of this minimalism, we will have more of energy, more of time, less stress, and have more self-confidence, better health, and we will have extra money, and we will be a good example for our children, and it will be visually appealing. So next is he speaks about the success stories who have become successful in their life by practicing this minimalism. So this is all about minimalism, and usually I read a lot of books, and if you want me to do the book review of all the books which I read, then comment in the comment section. So I usually do the book reviews which really inspired me and which is good to share with all the friends. So this is about the book Minimalism, and the author, that is the Kiku Katana, she has explained everything very beautifully and in detail. She has explained everything I have told here in short, and really it's very nice if you introduce this concept in your life and it to remain happy and to be simple. Usually I am following this minimalism at least to some extent, so that I don't go on adding stuffs in my home. So thank you for watching. Bye.